Student, your term 1 exam completed. Now today we will continue our chapter 4. We already discussed in previous video the what is multiples, factors, their properties and divisibility rule of 2, 3, 5, 6 and 9. So today we will learn what is common factor, what is common multiples, prime numbers, composite number, co-prime number and twin prime number. So children, you know what is common factor. Common factor means when we find the factor of two or three number and these factors are common. So we will call the common factor. For example, 24 and 18. First we find the factor of 24. So let's see, 1 and the number itself is the common factor of every number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. All these are the factor of 24. It means 24 is divisible by all these numbers, and same as 18. The factor of 18 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So these are the factors of 18. These number divide the 18 exactly. So common factors of 24 and 18 is 1. 1 is the common factor of both the number 24 and 18, and 2 is the common factor of both the number, and 6 and 3 also. So on, इसको हम और आगे भी ले जा सकते हैं. Now common multiples. Multiples, you know, the product of any two numbers, or it simply means the table. So the multiples of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12, and multiples of 3, 6, 9, 12 and 18. So common multiples 3, 6, 12 and 18. So these are the common multiples of both the number. Here 18 also they write, 12 and 18. Understand children? Now prime number. What is prime number? Prime number, the number which have two factor. जो नंबर सिर्फ 2 से डिवाइड होगा, 2 नंबर से डिवाइड होगा, 1 and the number itself. It has only 2 factor. For example, 2 has only 2 factor, 1 and 2. 3 has only 2 factor, 1 and 3. And 5 also 2 factor, 5 and 1. All these are the prime number. These number have only 2 factor, 1 and the number itself. What is composite number? Composite number means the number which have more than 2 factor. So for example 4, 1, 2 and 4. जो 4 नंबर है किस किस के टेबल में आएगा? 1, 2 and 4. These number divide the 4 exactly. Now 6, 1, 2, 3 and 6. 6 has these factors, 1, 2 and 3, 4 factor. Now 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the number which divide the 12 exactly. Now co-prime number. What is co-prime number? Co-prime number when the two prime number have one as a common factor. जिस दो नंबर में one common factor है. For example, find the factor of 6. 6 का कौन कौन सा factor है? 1, 2, 3 and 6. And 35, 1, 5, 7 and 35. So see here the factor, here only 1 is a common factor. Now children, we will learn twin prime factor. What is twin prime factor? when the difference of two prime number is 2, that is called the twin prime number. For example, 5 is a prime number, it has only two factor, 1 and the number itself, and the 7 also has two factor, and the difference means minus karna. So 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. And again take the another example, 11 and 13. So 13 minus 11, 2, and 17 minus 19 minus 7, 2. So these are the twin prime number. Now today we will start next exercise 4.3. So we find the prime factor of number by two methods. To find the prime factor, we can find prime factor by two method, division method and the tree factor method. So children, division method. 20. So we divide these 20 by the 2. To find the division method prime factor, first we start from the 2. So 2 is a prime number, so it is easily divisible by the 2. 20 is easily divisible by the 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 zeros are 0. Again it is divisible by 2. So 2 fives are 10. So now this is not divisible by 2, so we will take 3. It is not also divisible by 3. Then take 5. 5 ones are 5. We can do this up to when the 1 is come at the last. इसको हमको जब तक करना जब तक यहाँ पर 1 नहीं आएगा. All these are the prime number. Look here, these are the prime number. So prime factor of 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 is equal to 20. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. When we multiply all these factors, this number will come. It means your sum is correct. Now we can do another example. 51. It is divisible by 2? No, it is not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3. It is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. So 3. Here we can do this. इसको हम यहाँ पर डिवाइड करके देख सकते हैं. 3 1 जा 3, 2 and 1 3 7 जा 21. Remainder 0. So 3 17s are, again this is the prime number, so it is not divisible by 2 and 3. So we will take the number itself. 17 1 ja 17. So prime factor of 51 is equal to 3 into 17 is equal to 51. So this is the division method. Now tree factor method. How can one do? 72. Take example 72. Tree factor method. This is divisible. We will take the 2. सबसे पहले हमको लीस्ट नंबर प्राइम फैक्टर लेना है, स्मॉलेस्ट प्राइम फैक्टर 2. सो 2 It is easily divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 6s are 12. इसको हम यहाँ पर करके देख सकते हैं. 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. Now again this is your dividend. Now this is the prime number and this is the composite number. So we will break this again. It will also again divided by the 2. So 2 1 ja 2 and 2 8 ja 16. Now again it will divide by 2. So 2 9 ja. Now again this will not divisible by 2. So we will take 3. It is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. So look here, all these are the 2 prime number. When at the last 2 prime number come, then your sum will be completed. Now these are the prime factor of 72 by 3 factor method. इसको हम राउंड में कर सकते हैं. So these are the 2 2 2 3 and 3. So prime factor of 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 72. All these are the prime factor of 72. You can do this by the another way also. It is given in your book. First we find the product of any two number which come the 72. ऐसे 2 टेबल्स लेना है जिसका प्रोडक्ट 72 होगा. तो 8 9 जा 72. Again we will, this is the composite number and this is also composite number. So we again break this. Find the factor of 8. 2 4s are 2 4s are 8. Again we will find 2 2 2. So again these two numbers prime number will come. So this line will be completed. Now again we find here this not divided by 2, this is divided by 3. So 3 3s are 9. All these are the, so you can see here the 2 2 2 and 3 and 3. 3 times 2 and 2 times 3. These are the factor of 72. So factor of 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 and these 3 into 3. So these are the same. You can do any method as you like. So your exercise 4.3 is completed. Now this chapter is completed, children. You can write down all the sums carefully with PDF. Thank you.